sis, you don't gotta do nothing. Nathan. Hey babes, what's up and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we're in a whole different room, a whole different setup, a whole different background. I'm really trying to work on like upping like my little studio or whatever, but anyways, y'all care about that. Let's get right into the video because that's what you guys are here for. So I have an affordable unit, y'all. This unit retails for about $37.99, so like $40, you know, after tax and shipping and all that, whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys the unit. Now, I did already pluck the unit, so this is not how it looks in the packaging because I tried to put it back all pretty, but it didn't really work. So I'm gonna give you guys all information on the hair first, and then I'll do like my review after at the end of the video after I finish installing it. So the wig I have is the Outre melted hairline lace front wig. It's not how the package, it's not how it came, but this is how roughly it looks. I'll take it out so you guys can see, but I got it in the color 1B. And yeah, so it is transparent lace. So I did already take it out and see it, and it's definitely transparent lace, and I'm super duper excited. So when you get the unit, it does come with this like information card that all their units really come with, and it has Outre melted hairline lace front on the front of it, sorry. And it comes with baby hairs, and it also comes pre-plucked, I believe. So like I said, this is a Lilyana. I think it's Lilyana. So the available colors are in 1B, 2, 613, DRFF2/cherry red, and a whole bunch of other colors. They're all right here at the bottom, as you guys can see. Also heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees. I'm not gonna be testing that out because I really love the texture of this hair, and that's why I got it, because I like the whole crimp kind of look. I'm not sure if this is synthetic or a synthetic blend. Either way, I would not suggest bleaching anything synthetic, okay? So you take all this stuff out. This is what the inside of the unit looks like. So you can see you have two combs on the side, and you have one on the bottom, and you have an adjustable strap, okay? So just to give you guys a nice like little look, I don't know if I can show you guys on my hand, but this is transparent lace. I'm gonna add some makeup on it just to blend it well with my skin tone. And I'm not gonna do the bald cap method because I don't feel like it, and I don't plan on keeping this on forever. And I don't want to ruin, you know, another wig cap if I'm keeping it on for a long time, you know? So as you can see, I already have my hair all done up. Don't worry about this because with all the hair, you're not gonna be able to see it. So I'm just gonna throw her on. Oh, and it also comes, with adjustable straps in the bottom, on the back, the bottom. But I like this hair already. Oh, this is about to be so cute. Okay, I'm getting excited, okay. Oh, but I don't want to do the ball cap like that. I don't feel like doing the ball cap. I'm about to have a temper tantrum. Okay, we're gonna just pull this back. Ooh, okay, this is very... Now this part, I didn't do this, so don't come for me in the comments talking about how I ain't do it. It was not me. This is real transparent, like a little too transparent because you can see my ball cap. Maybe if I take it off. People be putting wigs on without no wig cap on. What's this? Y'all don't judge me. I'm gonna put it on halfway. We ain't that crazy. Still gonna have to protect the hair somehow. So far, this is how we're looking. Put this down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to find my got-to-be spray, lay this lace down, and we're gonna talk about it, okay? So let me find my spray and I will be back. Well, it'll be like 2 seconds, but I'll be back. So I got my Got To Be spray. If you have Ghost Bond, I recommend using Ghost Bond, but like I said, I'm not trying to keep this on all day. Usually Ghost Bond, not Ghost Bond, usually Got To Be lasts me till like the next day. I probably do a few touches, but that's it. Also my blow dryer, my Hefty Defty blow dryer. I don't know what kind of blow dryer this is. This is my mom's. I stole this from her. We've had this blow dryer since I was a kid, so I don't even know. This is probably as old as I am. So I'm just gonna plug it in. Let me add makeup on this first, and then I'm gonna install this wig. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna just pull this back. I'm not sure if this is a full frontal, but there's not a lot of lace, so I'm not gonna put makeup on like the whole thing, mainly just where the part is, which goes like this, like it ends right here. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that's not a lot of lace. So what I'm noticing off the bat is I am getting shedding. I do have a few strands right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all can't see that, but I do have a few strands. Now I don't know if that's from when I was plucking the hair or if it just sheds, but it's not a lot, so it's not that big of a deal to me. So I'm just gonna take my foundation brush that I used to do my makeup just now. I'm just gonna take whatever's left over in this brush. If I need to add more, I'll just take my foundation and add some more. But I think, oh yeah, we good. This is enough. Like y'all, this is literally what I do when I can't, like when my lace does not match my skin at all. This probably looks so ghetto, but I don't feel like taking it off because it's literally on perfectly. And y'all know when y'all like sitting there trying to position it in the right spot, and I don't want to mess it up. So that's why I'm being ghetto with it. So just don't mind me. This gonna make me excited. You know what? I'm gonna cut this lace because this lace is gonna piss me off. I'm gonna take my Got To Be spray and just spray right underneath. So that's one side down. Once I get all this laid, I'm gonna go back in and tweeze the frontal a little bit more because you can see it's really harsh. But I already felt like I was tweezing a lot with how I already had it. So I was like, let me just, you know, do it first and then go from there. Now that this is all glued down, I'm not going to cut the lace yet. I'm not gonna cut the lace yet. I'm gonna put a scarf on and just kind of let it sit for like maybe like 10-15 minutes, and then I will come back. So I'm just gonna take a nice cute little edge scarf. I know people take like elastic bands and stuff like that, but that be giving me a headache. I can't even, I'm not gonna hold y'all. So I'm gonna leave the scarf on for probably about like 10-15 minutes, probably like 10-15 minutes, and I will be back. Usually this is the time where I then start to beat my face and all that good stuff, pick an outfit, whatever I'm doing. But yeah, I'll be back. So to actually cut my lace, I'm pretty sure I've said this, and I'm pretty sure y'all seen this in like everybody's like wig install videos, tutorials, all that. I'm gonna use an eyebrow razor. Now, this is a sharp eyebrow razor. So if anybody's ever wondered, if you guys don't know, if y'all don't even rock, why do you use an eyebrow razor? Because you wanna get a jagged edge. If it's too straight, you're gonna have a straight line of lace across your head, and it's gonna be like, sis, you better wait, like you're not fooling nobody. So that's why we do eyebrow razors, because it gives you more of that jagged edge. We look cute, but we're not done. I'm going to tweeze a little bit more on this side because it looks too full. This side I'm leaving alone because this side looks pretty good. This side I'm gonna leave alone, but this side definitely needs to be dealt with. So I'm just trying to get the crimps back, and I feel like if I wet it, just trying to see if I wet it, if they'll come back, because I did kind of brush them out a whole lot. So I feel like now's a good time to give you guys my review of this hair. I did add some water just to try to bring the crimps back, which I think were helping. I think kind of helped because I was like brushing and combing this out, and I kind of lost like right here. You see it's kind of straight. So I think water does help. Where's my water bottle? I think water does help to pretty much just kind of like bring it back. I could be lying. No, yeah, water does help to bring it back. Now my review on this hair. First thing I do want to say is that this hair is super duper freaking soft. Like, that's why I was so confused. I don't know if this is synthetic or if this is human, because it feels literally like a human wig. So that's one thing I'm so not sure about, because the hair is so freaking soft. Like, I love it. Like, you would really think this is human hair. Like, sis, you could fool me and you could tell me if this is some Peruvian, Brazilian bundles or something. I would not know. Y'all saw how easy this was to install. This is probably like one of like my easiest installs ever. Only thing that's bothering me is this like little white piece. But it's like when I put my head down, it's like, you can't see it. But it's like when I look straight on, you can see it a little bit. And that's probably because I added makeup on it, or that could just be the glue. I did pluck the part like a little bit, like the bare minimum, like literally. And me tweezing this hair, like I didn't have to do a lot. The only thing that gives me the synthetic feel of it is that this hair was stubborn to kind of pluck. The hairs are really tough to pull, so it's not as easy as plucking like a what's it called, human hair unit, if you guys get what I'm saying. So it was nothing too crazy though, but I did notice a difference. I think this hair is so cute, so bomb. Like, there's a lot of cute things I feel you can do, even though it has a middle part. Like, you do like two little ponytails up here. I would do it, but I like how it is just like this. Like, it's giving me kind of like a little bit like vacation hair. I feel like everything gives me like vacation hair, to be honest with you. But I love this hair. As for shedding, now I've been like playing around and like disturbing this unit all day long, but I will say I am experiencing shedding, definitely, because it's all over my chair. It's a synthetic unit. Like, if this was human hair, I would kind of be like, that's a little bit of an issue, but it's human hair, and sis, it's only like 40 bucks. And the shedding is very like, it's not a lot, you know, it's not like clumps coming out. It's like a little strand here and there. I can't even believe that I'm saying that this is a synthetic unit, because it does not look like it. Like, y'all tell me in the comments down below that would y'all think this is synthetic? Like, for real, like, truthfully, honestly. But I don't really have anything, okay. Jinx myself. I was gonna say I don't have anything negative to say, but there is a bit of tangling. There is. But like I said, it's synthetic, sis. So it's kind of like, you get what you pay for, but I think this is a good $40 to spend. If you need something quick and easy and kind of just like, it's already styled for you. That's what I really love about this. It's already styled for you. Sis, you don't gotta do nothing. You don't gotta do nothing. My eyes is watering. Anyways, yeah, you don't gotta do nothing. Throw it on, cut the lace, keep it pushing, keep it moving. Like, I love it. And this hair is so smooth. This unit, it does come with a middle part. You can't, I mean, you could try to do like a side part. Let me see. You aren't given a lot of lace space. Y'all can see, like, trap right there. Like, you got the edges, and then you got a little bit of this lace right here, and then like the tracks start literally right here. Like, it fits perfectly on my head. Like, it fits so comfortably. I wouldn't really consider it big head friendly, but then again, y'all might think I have a big head. So if you have a head like me, because y'all see my hair in the back, and y'all could see like it's not, there ain't no lump, it's still laying flat. So with my hair, kind of takes up more space. You also do have the elastic bend, so did y'all hear that? You also do have the elastic bend. That's what it sounded like I said. At least in my head, that's what I heard. Anyways, you also do have the elastic band, so that does help kind of give you a little leeway, at least I feel like. If you guys do want to know how long this wig is going to last, I keep telling y'all it depends on how you treat it. This is a synthetic unit, so synthetic units are known not to last as long as human hair units. Just keep that in mind. I really don't have too many cons except the tangling and the shedding, and that's it. I did wish it had multiple parting space because I would love to rock the middle part. I mean, not a middle part, I would love to rock a side part. I will have all the hair details in the description box down below with the link to this exact unit. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Subscribe, by the way, just FYI, subscribe. Like, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.